Can I glaze a pre-cooked ham?
Hello, and welcome to this video on how to glaze a pre-cooked ham. This method will help you transform a simple pre-cooked ham into a gourmet centerpiece for your table.
Can you glaze a pre-cooked ham?
The short and sweet answer is yes, absolutely. Glazing a pre-cooked ham can add additional flavor and make the ham more visually appealing. The glaze caramelizes on the surface of the ham, providing a sweet and savory crust that can really elevate the taste of the ham.
What do you need to glaze a ham?
To glaze a pre-cooked ham, you'll need a pre-cooked ham, your chosen glaze, and a roasting pan. For the glaze, you can use a variety of ingredients, depending on your flavor preference. A basic glaze often includes brown sugar, honey, mustard, and spices like clove and cinnamon.
How do you glaze a pre-cooked ham?
First, preheat your oven according to the instructions on the ham packaging. Then, place your ham in a roasting pan and score the top in a diamond pattern. This helps the glaze penetrate the ham. Next, prepare your glaze. For a simple brown sugar glaze, mix together 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, and 2 tablespoons of mustard. Once your oven is heated and your glaze is ready, apply a generous layer of the glaze to the ham, making sure to get it into the scores you've made. Place the glazed ham in the oven and bake according to the instructions on the ham packaging. About 15 to 20 minutes before the end of the cooking time, apply another layer of glaze. This will create a more robust flavor and a nicely caramelized crust.
What are some glaze variations?
Don't be afraid to experiment with different glazes. You can add fruit juice or zest for a citrusy twist, maple syrup for a fall flavor, or even bourbon or other spirits for a more robust, adult flavor. So there you have it. Glazing a pre-cooked ham is not only possible but a great way to add flavor and visual appeal. I hope you find these instructions helpful and that they inspire you to experiment with different glazes to make your pre-cooked ham even more delicious. Enjoy your cooking journey!